Hi, I'm Dan with Fluke. We get a lot of questions wondering what a true RMS meter is and when to use it. In years past, most AC electricity was used in its simplest form, a sine wave that alternated between a maximum positive and a maximum negative value. But as technology advanced, it was found that electricity can be used more efficiently in different waveforms. An averaging meter can accurately measure a sine wave, but not more complex signals. True RMS stands for root mean square. This is an advanced measurement technique that provides accurate AC current or AC voltage measurements regardless of the device you are measuring. The need for true RMS meters has grown in recent years with things like variable speed motor drives, electronic ballasts, computers, and HVAC controls. This portable grinder has a control that adjusts the motor speed. When we measure the output voltage with a true RMS meter, we see 79 volts AC, while the same measurement taken with an averaging meter shows 65 volts AC, an error of 18%. I'm Dan. Thanks for watching, and for more pro tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel.